waiting they happen.
You know the get water. There is no light.
Soon, waiting they happen.
You know the get water.
No good they do pass yourself. Hey, this rainy season, as this rain they fall so, it go be blessing to you and it go be blessing to me. But things they happen for this country, Nigeria. But anywhere you there for Nigeria, you there for Edo, you there for Delta, you there for Bayelsa, you there for Ondo, you there for Ekiti, you there for Lagos, you there for Abuja. Things they happen. Igbo man go say Ogini Neme, let me say wetin dey happen. Benin man go say Wosunu, Hausa man go say Miafaro, Yoruba man go say Kilo de, Kilo Shele. Something dey happen. This place when I dey so. This place when I dey so and everybody wait there here so. Everybody they wait when the rain go dry, make everybody disappear. But something happen. Bege, fight. People bring cutlass. People bring different weapons. But what can happen for this place where we dey so? Now the investigation, now we still dey investigate. But as I dey talk to you now, police, DSS, SSS, EFCC, all of them, vigilante, all of them now they look everybody here. But what happen? According to some kind talk, say some people from this country, from this location, they enter this business location, start to fight some people, but they fight Hausa people. You see that blood? I don't know whether they kill the person, but let's say they stab or they choke up. That happen. But I don't know why some people don't want to talk to me. Because they be like say people start with now somebody they form say like they be deaf and dumb. I greet you. I greet you.
I greet you, sir.
You know they follow.
Well.
But you know what happened for you?
But I don't know what happened. Coming for work now. I don't know what happened here. I just coming now. So I don't know anything now.
Why be said that's what we be for this country? Why be said that's what we be? Okay, you just they come from work.
I'm coming from my side now, so I don't know what happened. I enter bus came here. I don't know what happened, sir.
Okay, me just they come from Ghana too.
Okay.
And they come from Ghana. Okay, call this side, call this side, call this side. Call no problem.
I don't.
Okay, well done. Well done, sir. How's the family?
Thank God.
I just they call. What did happen for you? Something happened here. What did happen?
Me what me fit talk. The matter where me fit talk. I don't know what I go talk inside because the time where this thing happen, one man say he me the sleep for inside the store. So why they sleep for inside the store? Now I come here say go say where that boy where me and him fight? Where that boy where he and him fight? They carry the bottle come, then they break the bottle. Break them. So, me I just wake up. I can't say these people don't go pick person who you do sleep. So now I make one man to sleep. I can't get say got more go outside. When we come outside, we call meet people get the some boys get the bottle, some get the wood, some get the cutlass. They come fight. This man why the one already killed. This man say that injured him like this. That cut him here, that tear him like this, and that tear like this, that tear him here. The carry go general city, they said they don't want carry him. Let the carry go UBT. And one man again, they cut him for here again. He fought for near for Moss. That one no fee get up. They carry that one go for Asito. So police don't come back. When police come, matter come down. They carry the person who started the fight. They carry him, go station. By the time when they carry him go station, police can't go. As a matter we can't see them come this side. Some come this side. Some come this side. So we are other people, we are smoke. Who go to your fight? And this man tell say,
let some people with the people from the area and they fight or be.
They know the fight before. Now this morning is start.
As I talk to you now. I don't know what happened according to investigation, but they don't drive everybody with this compound. Anybody business but they happen for this compound, but everybody don't disappear. But I go try to look for some kind of people. Make them tell us I know pass your guy back come. I back office. I make I talk to some people. Bros, well done.
Yeah, well done, sir.
How life?
No, we thank God, sir.
But what did happen? What did happen?
Well, now here we do business, so we not get another place when we go. If you look now, see us everywhere now, don't dry. some boys and where I don't know where they come from, and Hausa people here, they get misunderstanding. So the misunderstanding, I don't let them resolve. As I talk to you, so if you see the kind thing, the kind run where everybody run for here, everybody run. So I don't know. The only thing where we go talk is make government come help us. May they get anyhow they will protect us. May they protect us.
But with the years on when we say they want to put fire for this building.
Yes, now what we hear say this house now say they want come now. So we don't know the people where it talk on, but we say make government help us before they say they come now.
Wait, now Hausa people where they do business for this environment with the youth within the area and they get big so.
No, not be youth where these people the people so the so-called youth so we don't even know them. We know where they from come. Now misunderstanding they get with Hausa people where they no feel resolve. So now no be area boys at all. No be this area boys.
Okay, not be area boys.
No be area boys. No be the boys when they this area. But now youth where we don't know where they come.
But now to say they keep us for here.
They wound many people. So they wound many people. Many people. Some day UBTA, some day unconscious. Some police people even carry some people come out. Go hospital. So we don't know whether they die or they see they alive.
Okay. We dey investigate the matter wey happen for this third junction o. Don dey. Wosun o. Things dey happen o.
Wosun wetin dey happen.
We no dey get water.
Wosun wetin dey happen.
We no dey get water. There is no light.
Let go they do pass yourself. Something they happen o.
It happen.
How work now?
We thank God o.
What sir?
How you doing?
I'm fine sir. How's the family sir?
So fine.
How your body sir?
So fine.
I like your dressing.
Thank you very much.
You come from work or you dey go house now?
Where I'm going?
Okay, that is not very so. At what age you dey when you marry? Because nowadays we don't see I'm saying so many Nigerians wey don be 25, 30, 35, 40, 50. They never want marry. But you at what age you dey when you marry?
At the age of 30. 30. 30.
Now you marry?
Yes.
But what you think say the cause and why people not dey quick want marry now?
It's as
I know they hear English now.
Nah, because money no dey now. Many of our youths no get money.
Ah, when you be 30 years, you get money.
Things dey simple that time pass now. Many of our youths now they no go work. Some go university no work.
As I dey talk to una now, some ladies wey be don ready to marry, their family say because of their fiancé wey dey fall in love na poor family from come, that's why they never agree make marry. But we dey investigate. Why e be say now our people wey be 30 years, 35, 40, 45, they no wan marry. Some people they marry wey at the age of 22 sef. You go gree make your daughter marry poor person?
No, for what? My pikin. No,
she no go gree make her daughter marry poor person o.
Poor person no dey in the life. Nobody poor. Nobody poor for the life. Everybody na equal. If you build one house now, build here Gorishe, Abiyama, you build here Gorishe Lagos. Now no one room wants to stay for inside. If I still build one room, I still build one house Gorishe Lagos. Now no one room wants to stay for inside. Show me the poor.
You go marry person wey come from poor family?
Yes, where?
If na love, abi?
Love. I can marry. Where? I'm not gonna marry. No marry the opening.
Pepe. No go they do pass.
You say the situation of the country self, you still follow for the matter. You know, it's now make person get 2-3 children for school today. You know the cost of education, everything is at the high side.
No, some guys there now will be
some
guys they will be 30 years, 35 years. They never ready to marry.
Probably they don't have what it takes now to settle down. Most especially the finance, the
money.
Resources. Yes, now.
Money.
You know the situation of the country we are into today.
But
now.
you agree marry woman wey come from poor family?
Poor family. Well, as in poor family, on a very good day, one thing I believe in this life is that we are all equal in the hands of the Lord. Are you getting it?
Daddy, I agree to sir. How's the family? How your body to this sir? Daddy, I beg, at what age you dey when you take marry? Because don't I'm saying so many youths now for Nigeria now they want quick marry because of situation. But you, at what age you dey when you marry?
If we look situation, nobody go fit marry. If person look situation, right from our father time, nobody go fit marry. So we not the look situation. We look wetin we dey do. When go fit take care of your family, that one go run you to marriage. Okay, if you say make you dey wait for wetin dey happen this time, you not go fit marry.
But so many guys there now will be 30 years, 35, 40. Even some people there now will they watch us 45 years.
Mother.
They never marry.
Yeah, because they want become millionaire before they marry. They want become millionaire before they marry.
So what do you call the talk now?
If it get time when person go reach, when go marry, you see women now, all these girls, it get time when they reach, they go get that urge to marry. But if say you they wait until you get millionaire before you marry, like women, not they happen, it not they work.
But some women they wait for their husband until they get money before they go do the marriage.
The general.
Today, you buy bread, buy everything. I go give them.
I love you, Simoti.
You don't marry?
I don't marry.
You don't have to say for this country now. So many youths know they want quick marry.
Now so.
Some day 30, 35, 40, 45.
Nobody afford.
At what age you day? Because some say they not get money, they not go marry.
Me, I marry at the age of 32.
32? You don't be millionaire that time?
No. I not be millionaire at that time.
No, what do you call it? Because some of our age mates now they look us now. They will not get their agenda.
Yes. Why did they run for marriage? They say they themselves. They want plan a big marriage. They not say it must be big. If you see woman where you love and you know say the woman love you, with the little thing what they do, you feel marry. And if you want marry, what the family need from you? Now be the list where they give you. If you they collect the list of you do with the family for inside house, you don't marry na marry. They only carry first for inside. But if you want to canopy from Benin to Kavasha, now our modern boys they look, may they say my marriage na bomb, na gboza. Now may they run. Money to do marriage, it be not big like that.
A person will not get means of livelihood. How you go think say you go marry? You know, say marriage na responsibility.
Okay, how now?
Marriage na responsibility, big one, big responsibility. Those will not get means of livelihood. If they marry, they born. What did they will take care of them?
So what did they try to talk? Say any man whenever they work or whenever they get what they get money, make it not marry.
You see, my brother, he get as a bill.
And they go age, they go. So to the apple. What did the apple?
For Benin, I
know now. It's na area.
He said for yes, so.
What did happen for this country? So now they investigate this.
I tell you, not be smart, you not see my back. Babuaya. The next thing I gone, oh. They said they don't keep Malau. They said na versus Igbo. They said na versus Benin. Everybody twirl, oh.
Area.
They bad for you, oh.
Matter what do on ground, I say.
Tell me.
Women now don't they talk say. Now men they cause and we be say they know they quick marry because some women you don't marry.
I don't marry. I got 4 children.
Wake.
My son talk pass you small, but you senior.
Okay, but what did you say they cause away some people not they quick marry?
What did they cause away the people not they quick marry?
Especially women, oh.
Women. So no one follow man suffer. You see me now the peel orange. Men hungry not beat me and my pikin. But some women don't want to do that one. They want feast nails. They want to shine. Let me they don't want to settle down.
Okay, you go agree make your daughter marry poor person?
I go agree because one day be one day. Ogoro must jump.
So now how much you they sell?
Not they sell. Your band are here for the sell. I can't feel
somebody want buy for me. Hey.
Every day.
So women they say, why would they feel saying some women not they quick marry?
That be depends of everything. Everybody child depends. So quick marry. So Sunday go school. So they go work. That's so it be. So then they quit marry. So you could marry. What soon you end when?
Cut some, I'll just cut one. Give me.
100 naira. Oh.
My first test away that sweet.
But if your feet tell Obaseki may help me, this market if not fit me. Oh. Na money matter. Oh. If your feet tell government, let them help me.
Never carry lapo.
No. Lapo, I know you go start for me. They not agree give me because I dey sell.
So what you want me Obaseki do now?
If your feet help me, 100,000 ma take start for one. At all, na bad. Don't the truth I just tell you. Because this sorts 2 days here. You not see my back where I tell for where they fight. If there is a market there, they suffer the sell small thing. All this thing not happen.
I don't see this. But His Excellency. Okay. But I want to show government something now. Beg God. Hey!
come and talk and finish.
The gutter don't block, oh.
Government of Ghana.
But Ministry of Environment.
But soon you come and tell you about this dirty.
Tell me.
Another thing they
now they put all this dirty for inside here.
If government, like for Delta State, they go for burial. One woman called drip here water, I call Tromia. They arrest her. To say government, Obaseki, Ofi Duan, but they control people they throw away dirty.
Yeah.
They go abroad.
Maybe they control her.
You go put me for
no, man, no, me. No, me. No.
Get work. If they go abroad, they go lick orange, they go put her for waste bin. For Nigeria, they go lick orange, drip here water, they throw her for side dirty.
Yeah, they put this one
everybody were there, they don't say how the verse put. It's not good.
No go took her from my pocket, oh. Now I did so.
If not be railway for, I for don't clear this gutter because now dirty. As you start so the lick orange, you not good. Our people they too like dirty. Make government do that one come out. Me will be oga. You go pay me salary. I the pillar chair.
Pepere.
Not too much.
Okay, put up paper by me. I forgive my cameraman. First dash governor one, dash governor you.
Governor na chair. Now you carry the big one. Make sure say you show up on television. Obaseki is here. Make for see do for me oh.
How much you say you look for that time?
Nah, 100,000. I don't fair big one. My brother wait for
wait governor.
I don't put governor. Oh, see your own. Vasunu.
Something they happen. Because I will be say some people know they quick marry. Some of your mates they talk say some of your mates they now will never want marry.
Emmanuel.
Yeah.
Emmanuel.
What you did?
Everybody so get choice. No say this life that the way everything they hard. So one married to one man will be like don't get some money for pocket. And so then I not get some money for pocket. When they look for man, I not say get some money for pocket. Like you will never make money. I don't want to look your way now. Now they cost for some people. I better use reason.
No, you won't be there. Oh my God, what did you say they make guys not the quick marry nowadays?
The money.
As always they worship for TV. The way they perform, even for ring road side, me, and then they fear you. But a bless say you want to enter comedian. Now comedian, now you supposed to enter safe.
I just come from Ghana now. You don't know the way I just come from Ghana. You don't know the way you talk to me. Even though you know me from Nigeria, I just come from Ghana. You don't know the way you talk to me.
But if you guys say me and the son of the soil, or we don't know, or we don't know Pataki, son of the soil from Edo State.
You don't threaten me?
I'm not threatening you.
Okay, they see me for television.
I see you where your performance, even myself, I be say me go even talk to you. For cell phone, a blessing a comedian I supposed to go enter because the way they perform, even my family when they accept, they make them they laugh well. The way they tell they watch it for TV, even laugh one even finish them. They say a comedian I supposed to go enter.
The matter.
How would they talk your matter?
You don't talk about Abi.
How you say?
You don't marry now, Abi?
Why with kids now?
With kids. But what did you say? The cause I will say some guys not they want quick marry. Some say na money, but some no really. Some of our guys don't want marry.
Actually, Sha, not be money. I don't feel say na money. No one make you marry. You understand? Not be money. If na money, I believe say thousands will not marry. But at a time, Sha, if more still come the other way around though. The girls say that they try. They know they try.
Why you talk so?
They try.
They wait for ready made.
They wait for ready made and you go over them.
Right, one for make quick they go. I know. Yeah, no, not very.
Why not the family?
No, like the situation, they travel to go different places.
You know what? You see the find your brother, no matter the work.
Not be lie, not be lie.
You don't know.
Hey! This they happen. This they happen. Hey! Okay, now you are one block. Okay, welcome. Not everybody now they rush. Okay, you don't marry now.
Very, very.
What did they cost and we say sometimes now 25, 30 years, 35, 40 they never marry. Nigerian youth know they quick marry. What do you think say be the problem and what do we go do now?
Well, to my own personal opinion, I believe say money no day. No work, nothing. Then if money no day, what will you use to take care of the woman at home? What will you use to feed? What will you use to pay house rent?
Time they go, age they go.
Yes, because if you have a nice job doing, you are getting money, you can get married and train the children too. So I feel that the situation of this country is somehow. That is why. I don't know what's here. Nothing. The situation of this country.
You don't marry?
Yes, now.
Thank you. So many of your mates now no one marry. They say that they fear.
Now the way the country take be
Ah, why now you marry?
You don't tell me marry If not by this time, I for never marry
Okay, the woman understand the suffer with you, Abi how?
If not by this time, I for never marry because the way things they go now. Oko? My hand no dey
This one where Nigeria be like this, where una dey?
I just come from Ghana.
Where una dey?
I just come from Ghana. I just coming from Ghana.
From Ghana?
From Ghana.
As those states dey so Nigeria as a whole, e dey good. Where head of state, where suppose people they die every day. To go visit them ordinary to share sympathy for them. Now when the whole thing don't happen and now head of state say you want to go visit. Okay. You want campaign. I believe you want campaign.
Okay, wait. You know say who talk any enough for this country they go hang am.
They not lie.
Who talk any go they go hang am.
Not lie. None hang anybody. Then nothing they happen. I bring your head you. Nothing they happen.
Now poor person. Now they suffer for this country. The rich they they suffer for this country.
So kind things happen for Tejo here today. You know what happened?
I just dey pass now. I hear them, but I never know wetin happen.
Why would they do like this for this country? Why would they fear to talk information?
Me no know wetin happen.
You just dey come.
I just dey come. You know wetin happen.
I don't know.
You never know. Ask another person make they tell you.
I carry motor of the driver and they go supply. When they go supply, they listen to me. When they go supply, the police show me. I break. Ausama, he hold dagger for his bag. Okay. I be pocket. Then they go carry another person. They broke the speech show. They go carry another person where he carry tramadol, small boy. Police hold on. They leave Ausama we carry dagger. When we there for Nigeria.
But our president don't talk now. Anybody when they catch with AK-47. All these people. Everything now.
I do.
You don't marry or you plan to marry?
I don't marry.
So many of our mates never marry.
Now mindset.
No, now the condition because they say they never get money. That's why they never want to marry. And you take do your own.
Now you will hustle now.
But what you advise? If you say who want marry, make him marry.
You want marry, we get smart if you marry.
Smart thing.
Yes, you want marry, if you get smart if you marry. Now mindset.
I work now.
Fine.
I greet you. Correct. People down the rush. Hey. Something they happen. But in case you dey wonder where I dey, so I dey for Ted Junction. This na the place where the matter for happen. But our security agency they dey on top of the matter. They say they go sleep here today break. So anybody when they plan to come here to come do any here, our security agency say anybody will try am, they go see any here. For this Ted Junction, anybody will do any here for this Ted Junction, our security agency say the person go see any here. Who do any here for this Ted Junction? You go see any here. Not forget now, if you get AK-47 now, may you go return it to your nearest commissioner of police. Our president don't talk. Anybody when they catch with AK-47, go return them. Sorry, sir. How's the okay.
Waiting they happen.
You know the guy water. There is no light.
Wait now. I don't chatter this boss. At Ghana they go so. Or Pasakboba Ghana.
Best. Also know
wetin dey happen.
Everything I just know. Everything, my dear, nothing clean for this country.
Nothing clean.
Nothing, Allah. Look, this our country. It go take God's divine intervention. Now the simple truth. God, this one where we dey trust leader, this and that. This one go bring change. The other one go bring the other change. Oh, now boo yeah. God's divine intervention. Now go solve our problem for this country. Promises upon promises, which one they don't fulfill? Light, wait, you see light? If not be borehole for this our country, who they see water again? If not be borehole, who they see water? Generator now we tell they get light.
Listen, the solution for the problem of this country, all these politicians, all this anybody where don't pass 70, let the junior one who have the energy and power to rule. All these big people now, from 70 they go. It's a second round. They are not them. Whether they cross to PDP or whether they cross to APC or not, the same group of politicians. As election they come now, the next thing you go see now, they are now going to shift to another party where they are fighting for their own self-interest. No. The bull.
Yes, the bull. Let me tell you so. You get voters card, I get voters card. If they give you 5,000, you reject them, I reject them. Them tell me say that this man you want vote for, and you don't say that man not good. If not this man ain't good, you go vote for the man. Leave the one they give you 5,000 for.
We don't love ourselves. Nigeria, we don't love ourselves. Everybody they shout Buhari, 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 Buhari. Buhari there, those states.
Something they happen for this country. What did they happen? Everything, even the president himself knows say something they happen. But from my own side, it is a pitiable dismal pisma.
Oga, tell them make they change the situation. No. Tell federal government make they bargain with those people, make they leave the fuel.
Nigerians they provoke. Don't forget to watch us on Top Go TV. We're there on Top Go TV for channel 107. On Top Start Time, we're there on Top Start Time for channel 130. Where you there? For Lagos, for Edo, for Bayelsa, for Kogi, for Ekiti, for Ondo, for Abuja, for Kaduna, for Sokoto, for Port Harcourt, for Akwa Ibom. Things they happen and they come your area.
Waiting they happen.